A very pleasant morning to all. I am Mahtab Alam of Class 6, standing as a representative of Al-Islah National Academy. Rise up, start first with a bright opportunity in each new day. Every day may not should be good, but there is something good in every day. But we pray to start our day and finish it in prayer. We are just thankful for everything, all the blessing in our life, trying to stay that way. We think the best way to start our day and finish our day. It keeps everything in perspective. I would like to call upon my friend Miss Nasreen Swani of Class 6 for prayer.
All of you hold your hands, burden your head. My God, I know you love me. Eat me on the right path. Protect me from evil and help me to be good. Just as you are kind to me, make me pure from this I pray. Let me be kind to others. Never let me from the right path.
Miss Swani. For dua, I would like to call Miss Sumaya Ramam of Class 6.
All of you raise your hand.
Thank you, Miss Sumaya. Pledge. A pledge is a way to make us aware of our duty towards our nation. So I request Miss Afrin Sultan of Class 6 to lead us with the pledge.
Pledge. India's my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and mighty. I shall always strive to be at your feet. I shall give my parents, teachers, and elders respect and treat them with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion, integrity, expertise, and uprightness.
Thank you, Miss Afrin Sultana. School peace. News. For news, I would like to call Miss Halwa Khatun of Class 6.
Good morning, everyone. Respected principal sir, teachers, and all my dear friends. Today news. Indian Institute of Technology Bombay has been the top priority of 1000 top ranked candidates of joint entrance examination over 5 years. Assam CM announces compensation and relief to farmers for caterpillar affected crops. Manipur police files Somatok FIR against charging indigenous tribal leaders forum. Main occurs of Guwahati 6-mile murders case detained. Sport news. Indian to take on Qatar in the next qualifier match of FIFA World Cup 2026.
For thought for the day, I would like to call Miss Barbie of Class 6.
Thought for the day. Focus on where you want to go, not on what you fear. I repeat it. Focus on where you want to go, not on what you fear.
Thank you, Miss Barbie. Speech. For speech, I would like to call Miss Afnan Begum of Class 6.
Morning everyone, respected principal sir, teacher and all my dear friends. Today I am here to give you a speech of school. Every school is special in its own way, and the same is way my school as well. It is a place where people from different backgrounds and temperaments came together with we get to make friends, learn new things and grow every day. It is so hard to imagine a world without a school. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Afnan Begum. School attention. National anthem. Starting always has an end. Now we have also reached to the end of our assembly. It is the prime responsibility for every citizen to feel that his country is free and that upon his freedom in his duty. So let us all together sing our national anthem. Start our national anthem. Jana Gana Mana भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तब जय गाता जन गण मंगल दायक जय है भारत भाग्य विधाता जय है जय है जय है जय 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 है। थैंक यू। असेंबली डिस्पर्स।
अल-इस्लाह वो आशियाना है, अल-इस्लाह वो आशियाना है, अल-इस्लाह वो आशियाना है, अल-इस्लाह वो आशियाना है। इनसे ही रंग है, इनसे है रोशनी, ये सारे फूल हैं तारे ये सभी। हमसे ये रंग है, हमसे है रोशनी, हम सारे फूल हैं, हम तारे हैं।